What's going on, you tool-addicted maniacs? Today on the channel, we're checking out a tool accessory that every trades professional or do-it-yourselfer alike can utilize and appreciate. And it's only going to cost you $10 or $12 from Michael Pro Tools. Let's get to it. This is model number MP015001, and it's a one-size-fits-all magnetic wristband. Now we unfold it here and check it out. This is 3.6 inches wide, 14.6 inches long, with 15 different magnets embedded beneath the 100% high-grade 1680D ballistic polyester. The side here does have a Velcro strap, making size adjustments really easy. Designed with a padded mesh layer on the interior here. Very soft, breathable, comfortable, and easy to use during work. Simply wrap that around your wrist, lock that Velcro in to whatever's comfortable for you. Having yourself a wristband like this is going to be really convenient to have. They can aid you in your repair while you work. It can even be a great time saver, because all the time that you waste on trying to pick up nuts, bolts, screws, and everything else that you might potentially drop on the floor, simply stick whatever you're working with right here. Let's say you was on the job drilling something. All of a sudden you don't need the drill, you need a driver. So you take your drill bit out, you put it here on your wristband, you put your driver in, you get to work doing what you need, you pull that driver out, stick it on the wristband, and your Phillips number 2, continue working, pull out that Phillips number 2, put it on the wristband. A few extra screws you had to pull out, well, that's quite easy. You pick them screws up and put them right here. Don't matter if it's drywall screws, little screws. You got a socket you need to adapt, right there you go. Put your socket in its place. Allen wrench, for whatever reason, take your Allen wrench, put it there too. This thing will easily hold your bits, screws, drill bits, sockets, or other magnetic objects on the band while you're working. Now, I've worked on a million different things over the years, so I know how frustrating it is whenever you're using an impact, a drill, a nut driver, screwdriver. You're sitting here trying to hold those tools in your hand, exchange your bits, your fasteners, whatever it is that you're working on. All of a sudden, they fall on the floor. Then you got to stop everything that you're doing, track it down, find out where it went, put it back on the driver, and it becomes a very frustrating, time-consuming task. Of course, if you got a magnetic tray nearby, that's great, but you're going to be in some situations where you don't have a magnetic tray nearby. You don't got a dresser shelf or a firewall or anything like that to put the extra screws on. That's where wristbands like this are going to come in handy for just about everybody. I don't care whether you're a mechanic, small engine, appliance, maintenance technician, electrician, plumber, or do-it-yourselfer. It doesn't have to cost you $21 like the Klein Tools version does. This one from Michael Pro functions just the same for half the price. This is one of those tools that's great for any reason, for men, women, and it will enhance your ability to do your job because of the convenience. If you're someone who's interested in checking out this tool accessory, all you got to do is visit GoMichaelPro.com. Check out their products, check out their tools. But you want to see this thing in action along with some of Michael Pro's other products, all you got to do is subscribe to this channel or check out these other social media platforms. If you're someone who has one of these wristbands, by all means, comment down below. Let everybody know what you think, what your real world experience is. Tell you one thing, this wristband from Michael Pro Tools is a very practical, functional tool for anybody. I don't care what type of trade you're in. Simple fact is, a little tool accessories like this one from Michael Pro is going to be great to have for this reason right here. I said I've been in 1,000 situations, and it gets really frustrating whenever you're trying to work with something, you ain't got nowhere to put nothing. All of a sudden, you bump something, you knock your stuff off, you got to chase it down. Stop everything you're doing 2 or 3 times a day just to go find what you're looking for. How do you think so many 10mm sockets went missing over the years from people's toolboxes? They stick them somewhere, they forget about them, and next thing you know, they're in somebody's car driving down the road. This is one of those tools that's great for anybody. You don't gotta have a reason to buy it, just buy it because you want it. Buy it and gift it to somebody because you think they'll enjoy it. One good perk about this version from Michael Pro compared to the Klein Tools version is Klein Tools cost you $21. This right here is about 10 or 12 bucks from Michael Pro. So really, you could buy 2 for the price of 1. It's great for men, women, professionals, do-it-yourselfers, don't really matter. If you're someone who turns wrenches, uses nut drivers, screwdrivers, if you're taking something apart and you've lost a screw, a nut, a bolt, a fastener, whatever the case may be, this thing might save you some time and money. If you want to purchase this particular product right here, I do not have any affiliate links for you to choose from. I would rather you go directly to the source by visiting GoMichaelPro.com and pop the clutch on that subscribe button and keep doing that blue collar hustle.